Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you a super simple trick, how to watch UK Netflix on your iPhone. First things first, you'll need a VPN. Head over to the App Store and search for a VPN. For this tutorial, we're using IPVanish VPN. Once you find it, it should be the top result. Tap Get to download. Mine shows a cloud because I've downloaded it before. Alright, once it's downloaded, tap Open. You'll see a privacy screen. Tap Login at the bottom and enter your IPVanish account details. Don't have an account yet? No problem. Check the link in the description or pinned comment for a huge discount on IPVanish. Once you're logged in, you'll see the privacy screen. Choose an option. It'll probably ask you to run through a tutorial, but we're going to skip that for now. Tap Skip, then Finish to set up your device. After a few seconds, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Tap Allow, and enter your iPhone passcode. Okay, you're all set. You're back in the app and ready to use the VPN. Now to access UK Netflix, tap Locations at the bottom of the screen. Find United Kingdom, and tap to select it. Then, tap Connect. After a few seconds, you should be successfully connected to a UK server. You can exit the VPN app now and open Netflix. Tap Sign in the top right corner and log into your Netflix account. Choose your profile and BAM. You're now browsing the UK version of Netflix. See? It even says Top 10 programs in the UK today. Just pick a show and start watching, just like you normally would. And that's it. Super easy, right? Don't forget to use the link in the description or pinned comment to grab that discount on IPVanish. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more travel tips and tricks. Remember, this is based on my personal experience.